From your homework, take a look at problem number 41, the point -4, -3, and 5, 3. This has a fractional slope, so I thought it would be helpful if I worked this problem. So let's take a look at that. Okay, there's our slope, and there's our 2 points. We need to find the slope. So once again, we will subtract the y's over subtract the x's. I like to start with the bigger y, which would be 3. So 3 minus a -3. 3 minus a -3 becomes plus. 5 minus a -4 becomes plus. Therefore, we get 6/9, which reduces to 2/3 when you divide the top and bottom by 3. So we have a fractional slope. Well, that just requires a little bit more work. We'll still use y equals mx plus b. We will substitute 2/3 in for the m. For the x, we're going to substitute one of these x values. I don't like to deal with negatives, so I'll choose the positive. That's for the x. And then we have the plus b. We will use 3 for the y value. Now, again, that's a mess, and you probably don't like dealing with fractions. So I would suggest the first thing you do is clear the fractions. And because there's a 3 in the denominator, the easiest way is to multiply everything by 3. That will clear the denominator. Again, when you multiply a whole number times a fraction, that whole number is really over 1, so it multiplies times the top. In other words, it looks like this, even though I don't usually put the 3 over 1. These cancel or clear the fraction. And we also have to multiply the b by 3. So once I simplify that and multiply everything out, I would have 9 equals, these cleared, so we are left with 2 times 5 or 10, plus I'm going to write the 3 in front of the b. That's the normal way whenever you have a variable like b. And now it's relatively easy. We would subtract 10 from both sides, which would just cancel this and give us a -1 on this side. And with -1 equals 3b, we just divide both sides by 3 and find that b is equal to -1/3. Therefore, we have the slope of 2/3. We have the b, -1/3. So the equation is y equals mx plus b, but you would not put a plus because it's -1/3, which means subtract 1/3. So there's problem 41. With that, I think you can handle most all the problems in that section. Good luck.